Hi YouTube. Okay, so I'm sad but happy. I'm wearing my Zaraki hoodie today, and this one has Zaraki on the back, but it sucks because like last week was like the Zaraki moments. Hopefully there's some on today's episode. I have no idea. I have not watched anything. I don't know any spoilers. So that's exciting. That's really exciting. But I hope we see Zaraki today. I don't think so. But yeah, the Zaraki fight was last week. But also, like, you can't even tell this is a Zaraki hoodie because it's just his high plan. But anyways, yeah, we're going to watch today. I'm really excited. I don't think there's an episode next week. So if any of you guys are really sad because Bleach Mondays are postponed probably till the new year, I'm on that boat. Okay, well, thank you for coming back. Like, comment, and subscribe, friends.
そして古神無頼のザラキケンパチでさえ死神の死体から奪うことで朝打ちを手にしている。
That was so, oh my god, I'm like, I love Zaraki. Okay, but like really quickly, did you guys hear that like eerie sound? I don't know if you guys have ever watched Perfect Blue. There's like this like really eerie music, like when the chick's like, when like the chick impersonating her is like jumping over like the street lights, and that's what I like heard right there. Like that eerie noise was hella trippy. Sorry, I was like looking down at something. I just want to say the Zaraki's backstory. Oh, so good. Anyways,
死神の死体から奪うことで朝打ちを手にしている。だからあいつは知らなきゃならねえんだ。自分の魂のありかをな。
that's like a crazy intro to start this episode, but that's really cool. All right, the history of the Zanpakuto, the Asauchi, etc. That's exciting. So insane, dude. This is insane. Like, I say this every week, but like, Bleach, dude, best animation of the freaking year. 2022 is Bleach's year. But secondly, it's really cool to see like I forgot the captain's name, but like the Asa Uchi Captain Zero or Zero Cap Squad Zero Captain like can like sense his soul and stuff, and that's really cool. I'm guessing that's like what his like this training arc is for, but it's wow, I didn't realize that Ichigo was like struggling with something and like running away from something. Who is this? Oh! Is this? I forgot her name, but she's the chick from like they went to like high school together. She's the chick that she had the short black hair and she's like really good friends with Inui. I forgot her name, but she's the only one that like doesn't have any like spirit powers and stuff. Is that her? Forgot her name. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, she smacks him.
そんな何回も謝るぐらいならちゃんとバイト来いボケ。あんたを雇った時点で私はあんたの姉ちゃんの気分なんだ。好きな時に頼りゃいいんだよ。子供は大人を頼ればいいの。
She's like mommy, but like her voice actor is really old. Or sorry, sounds like too señora, like too like older lady for me. So I'm like, I don't know, dude. She's stern. How do you guys feel about her? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about her. Dad? In the Soul Reaper clothes? What? I have chills, dude. I have freaking chills. Oh, that's weird. He left it? I guess he doesn't need it anymore.
追い返されたんだろう。ま、そりゃそうだろうな。今のお前に折れた挽回なんか直せるわけがねえ。自分のことを何も知らね
え。His dad's voice is so regal. I'm like, it's insane, dude. It's like he's like, it's like strange. And like obviously we knew he was gonna be like some regal king that's like super respected in the Soul Society, obviously, right? We had I don't know, the lady that protects the Soul Society like transportation or whatever. Forgot her name. Really hot titty lady. Like Ganju's sister, but that like respects him, and like they both respect him like so much, and they're scary, and they are like allies to Yorichi, you know? So like this is weird. This is weird to me. He's so mad. He's so mad. The daddy issues right now. Insane daddy issues. Why is he mad? Hug it out. I just want to say, I got a lot of hate on this. I told people his mother did not have orange hair. The reason he has orange hair, Ichigo himself, is because his soul was bleached or whatever. Or sorry, like whenever like they encountered the freaking whatever it's called. I can't remember. The hollow, like the first time when he was a kid, it like bleached his soul or something like that. Like that's like the claim behind it. I don't know. There's like a million lore stories on why his hair is orange. But his hair is not orange because of his mom. His mom has brown hair. But yeah, it's so trippy. Sorry. I was just like, I'm so glad we're seeing his mom again, because like every person in the world will fight you for like the color of Ichigo's mom's hair. Everyone's like, why? I don't understand. But anyways, we knew she was a Quincy, like from the way the Quincy treated him, and when he called, like the guy called him, oh my god, she's so cute, Masaki. It's Matsumoto too. I'm so excited to see her. But wait, final thought. This is wild. This is wild. This is so wild. Sorry. This is so weird. Like, I thought she was like chasing after Hitsugaya. I didn't realize that it was like, oh my god. Wait, hold on. We're gonna play that back. I did not expect. I mean, she looked really young, but I was like, I don't know. This is weird too. Did we get the name of the people? Did we get the name for the people that were in there? Hold on. No, we didn't. Interesting. I don't get it. Like, I'm kind of like, wouldn't it be better to have 2 Soul Reapers better than 1? I'm over here being annoying like freaking Matsumoto. I'm like, why aren't they going together? Shouldn't they go together? I think that would be a better result. But Toshiro and Shiba, obviously, like, I don't know. They're wiser. Anyways. At our current level. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, but... This is so cool! Okay. This is my Yudi's lab back in the day, right? Or is this someone else's lab? It's Jin! That's Aizen! Oh my god.
徐々に絞れてきている。炙り出すついでにフォロー化の実験もできるなんて。全ては我ら。
He's so daddy. Like, it's okay. You can destroy me too. Like, it's fine. I'm okay with it. Oh my god. Ah, my heart. Anyways.
手の上だ。
探してたら迷っちまって。
I love
嘘
him.
が下手すぎでしょ。今夜雨が降ったらお前らちょっと帰っていいぞ。小便の邪魔だからな。
Okay, he knows. Oh, that looks like an alien, dude. You guys saw that, right? What is that?
学校の様子はどうですか、マサキ
She's cute.
私ですか？
母様、おやめください。
I mean, I assumed Ishida and Ichigo were related. I assumed. I high-key assumed. But like, okay, so that's grandma of Ishida, but he only knew his grandpa, so we might see his grandpa. And then the Kurosaki line's like really regal, I guess. I'm guessing that's Yak is a Kurosaki, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't know if I'm wrong, but he did say grandson. Wait, hold up. Wow.
ぼちぼちです。
ぼちぼちとは何ですか。同じ
Also, she looks like Ishida, but yeah, anyways.
クインシーの
お父様は
ヒュンフトフェルトです。いつ戻るのか私が知りたいくらい。
I just want to say I've been in love with Ishida's dad since the day I met him. But anyways.
マサキ、
Anyways. Sorry.
ごめん。
So cute. Who's this? Is this the mistress?
はい、何でしょうか、坊ちゃま。
彼女が果たして僕との結婚を喜ぶだろうか。
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure they're like proposed to get married or something. That makes sense. Is there a mistress? I don't know. Maybe there's a mistress. It would be weird. It'd be really weird. I don't know. I'm like so invested right now. I'm like, dude, this love story triangle thing, I am all for this.
クインシーの未来に。
That's such a weird juxtaposition because like if you remember him, he like gave up like his Quincy studies and stuff, and I'm just like, ugh. Okay, sorry. Oh, are those her tears? No. Really good transition. Really good transition. I'm guessing these guys die. They always die.
できたな。死神自体が標的か、高い冷圧に反応しているのか。試しに冷圧で釣ってみるか。
Holy crap, dude.
すげえ。これが芝隊長の冷圧かよ。
Stop!
くそ。
What is this? What is this? That's so cool.
黒い。
A black? It's a hollow? Doesn't even look like a hollow. Looks like an alien, dude.
やつはフォローに間違いねえようだ。
Oh, she felt that.
とんでもない大きさの冷圧が移動してきてる。フ
Okay.
ォローともう一つ。
クインシーはやすやすと血を流すべきではないんだ。
でもリュウちゃん。
Dude. Okay.
外見はフォローだが、技の幅
Yeah, it does.
やりづれえ。
カラクラ町は13番隊の管轄ですよ。
You're dead, dude. Did you guys see that little beam out of its forehead?
カラクラ町は13番隊の管轄ですよ。
Oh, that's cool. Sorry. That's fucking cool. That's so fucking cool. That's so fucking cool, dude.
私ね、リュウちゃんがおばさまのことやクインシーのこと。
It's the prince complex for me.
片桐出るぞ
Okay, so they're going to.
なんだゼロか
Yeah, I was like, that Zero is really cool.
じゃねえかこいつ死神を食らうたびに
It's devouring their souls. That's so cool.
よてめえみてえな化け物がソウルソサエティに手取られずに大暴れできるわけがねえ誰の差し金だ
Aizen experiments, I'm guessing.
答えるわけはねえか
What was that? Stop. Stop, dude.
今の人たちは残白刀のそれだった
They're dirty, dude.
で裏切り者が糸を引いてやがる
I just want to say, I don't know. The second they slashed him in the back, I'm like, Aizen, you're a freaking coward, bro. All I could think about was Zoro being like, never slice me in the back, okay? Fight me in my front, bro. Like, actually, though. Okay, sorry.
片腕がもがれても元気だな
Oh, he did lose an arm through that. Okay. This lighting on his face, though. All right, I want to see these broken Quincy powers, okay? I'm waiting for it. Mommy? They're out.
外の事象です排除します
Uh-oh.
様子を見よう
Look at his crazy, mad, sexy face. What was that? Oh, did he, like, he's already injured, I'm guessing? I'm so curious, I'm so curious, I'm so curious. She's so cool, dude. Stop, stop, stop.
よし捕まえた
Its spiritual pressure just exploded. Like, what's happening? Okay, you took the blast for her?
私は黒崎正樹クイーンシーです
Well, he already knows. He saw you fighting. I guess he didn't see the arrows, I guess? I don't know.
そっか
But yeah, they saw the arrows. Sorry. I'm going to go back a little bit just because she's like, I don't know, dude. Her powers were so insane. She literally was like, she like gave no fuck. She was like fast enough that on impact of the attachment, like she was able to just blow up this hollow, which I don't even think is a hollow because like, you know, like hollows aren't this freaking broken. But it was just such an insane like power transformation. So cool.
計画外の事象です排除します
And where are the other Quincy's at this point? Weren't they going out with them?
こいつ
Oh, I guess he didn't see this part because he got injured. This dude. Just like
よし
this was so mommy. Like this was so like talk to me like this. You know what I mean?
捕まえた
No, but I love you. That's crazy. And this is insane. That was an insane episode, dude. The freaking backstory, the lore. Oh my God. That was so good. That was so good. Also, like, the colors in this episode were, like, actually insane, dude. Like, the purples and, like, the blues when the Quincy's came out and, like, the purple of Aizen and, like, all of that, like, studio and, like, the rain. Excuse me. I was like a hiccup burp. The rain and, like, the scenes. It was just, like, really pretty. I'm going to check to see if there's a end scene because you guys are always telling me I missed a scene. Okay, end scene. More rain. Ishida. Right? Yes? Yeah. Okay. Who is this? It's that one guy. Blonde, hot guy.
罪深きあなたも太陽のよう
Everything but the rain, just June truth. So we're gonna find out, I guess, more about Ishida's mom. Trippy. Let me pause this. Okay, so that was like, and it probably, dude, every episode in Bleach for the last 11 episodes, obviously we're on episode 11, has been really, really good. And that episode was just like so good. Like, I don't know, I'm so happy we finally meet like Ichigo's mom and dad and like their backstory. I'm like really curious. I'm like, okay, so like where's the mistress? How did they end up together? Yeah, just so many questions. That whole like the hollow thing that he has, that like thing, I'm guessing is something to do with how easy it was for Ichigo to hollowify or whatever. That's really cool. All of it is really, really cool. But I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Obviously, I'm not a manga reader, so I probably got a lot of things wrong or interpreted it differently. But happy holidays and thanks for watching.